All right, so let's take a look at the ClickFunnels marketplace. Now, this is a fantastic place for you to come in here and be able to purchase done for you funnels that are already converting. They've already been, proven and tested, and they've been built by some of the top funnel designers in the market. So, this particular URL up here, marketplace.clickfunnels, is going to take you to the page there. And what you can do is you can either shop templates or you can find an expert. And this is essentially giving us some example funnels in here that we can purchase that are done for you. So here's a product launch funnel. Here's a squeeze page funnel, personal training squeeze page. And then people can leave reviews. But oftentimes, some of these funnels are great because they've already been tested, as I mentioned. They've already been converting, and it's really just as simple as you changing out the pictures, the copy to fit your particular design. And so here is a particular individual here, featured consultant. You can browse all consultants. You can open this up here. Keep in mind that if you do contact some of these guys here, they are going to most likely charge you a good amount because they are, essentially creating something from scratch, right? So that's going to garner a significant amount of investment, and it can be, up to several thousands of dollars, if not more. So coming back over here to the marketplace, what's right here, this is a marketplace, and this is how it looks when it's full on the marketplace view here. So we can look at some of the most top rated funnels here, or we can look at funnels that are specific for what we're trying to accomplish. So let's say we wanted to find a product launch funnel. We have funnels here that we can look at, and then we can go towards the best selling here, or we can even go to the prices high to low. The majority of these high-end funnels are going to be $297. And when you think about it, I mean, $297 is very low because the other thing that comes with these funnels is automated email sequencing. So, I mean, it is just a fantastic setup. So let's go down here and let's look at one of these different types of funnels. So let's say this one here, like the management, coaching and consulting one here. And this is for $297. We get a done for you funnel, and we can kind of open this in a new image here to look at this a little bit bigger here so we can see how this looks. Okay, great. Again, this is exactly how it's going to look. You can change this up here. Let's go down here, and then we can look at the skill level here. It tells us for beginners. They also provide video tutorials, how to edit stuff, as far as the different elements, how to add in your own, piece of information that you're going to need, and then funnel steps here, right? So you have the squeeze page number one, which is essentially the landing page where you're going to be collecting information, and then it's going to get taken to a series of videos here, and then it's going to go to a product page here, typically, for them to purchase whatever that may be, and then a thank you page. So this is a fantastic page here. This is a good setup here. You can see it's essentially where you have like some kind of webinar or something like that most likely these guys are presenting, and then you get taken to the product page where they can purchase. So coming down here, one of the great things that we can also see this has is email sequencing. But here's the order page there, their offer wall. And so one of the great things that a lot of funnels don't often include, and they essentially lose a lot of business because of this, is not including email sequences, where you have somebody that puts in their information right immediately. As soon as they put in their information, they get an email, maybe introducing yourself, providing that free content, that valuable piece of content, and then getting them into your sequence. And the way that these emails are laid out are essentially a structure of 5 emails that go out 2 to 3 days apart from each other. and that you can easily just put in your own information there for your product or service. And then these are for conversion, and then these are abandoned cart sequence emails. So this is also fantastic. Obviously, if somebody comes onto your landing page, they don't actually purchase the product, maybe they put it into their cart and they leave for whatever reason, we can send these out as well. And obviously, all these different things are included. Blake Newbar, I've actually bought some funnels from him. Very, very highly recommended. And also, he has, a ton of reviews from other people that have used his funnels, and it's just fantastic. I mean, let's go back over here. Let me show you some different types of funnels. So we have this one here. Let's look at this one here, modern product launch funnel. Let's take a look at that. Okay, I think it's over here. All right, so the Mike Filsami modern product launch funnel templates. Okay, great. Let's see how this looks. Oh, okay, we can see how this looks here. Open a new tab here. Awesome. Okay, so this includes like this kind of page here. Okay, so I see what this is here. Just a pretty good template. The only thing is that for whatever reason, looks like these guys don't have email sequences. So we can see a sample of how this looks. DOMY or domy.site. Oh, looks like, well, these guys actually have another page. Oh, wow. So it turns out these are additional funnels here that you can purchase. I did not even notice this. So here's another resource that you'll have for you to be able to come in here and look at some different funnels for different services. Here's one for landscaping, and these are all done through ClickFunnels, I'm assuming there. Okay, yep, ClickFunnels. And then here's one for like hotel, luxury. But the point here is that this marketplace is essentially all you need for the most part to find some top end funnels that you can use and plug in right away. Let's see if we can find maybe some lead magnet type of stuff here. Sales funnel, opt-in. Let's see if we got this one right here. Okay, great. High to low. And then let's look at some different ones here. So here's like a dentistry funnel. So like if you're maybe looking to run a funnel for a local business, you can get that one as well. Let's look over here. Okay, so this is a simple teeth cleaning funnel here. Okay, you got the thank you page, opt-in page. This is how the opt-in page looks. Okay, yep, so this is a nice and simple local business sales funnel. And then you got some reviews here. Okay, great. I actually want to go back and I want to look at the Blake Newbar because he has a bunch of funnels. Let's see if we can look at all his funnels here. And his funnels are, I mean, top notch. I can highly recommend his funnels. Here's another one here. There's a premium dentist right there. Here's some bundles you can purchase. Here's a real estate lead magnet one here. A premium local business. So there's a ton of these here. This is for consulting, $297. This is a 3-step funnel where you have the lead capture notification, goes through a application, and then to then actually purchase like a consulting call, whatever that may be. Okay, great. Does it have emails? Okay, so this one does not have, well, actually, I think it does. Okay, feature testimonial, email opt-in. Okay, so it does have email sequences, just not seeing them here. And then look at, you can see all the different reviews from people, positive feedback. Okay, great. Here's like a nice lead magnet for the real estate market. Okay. Email sequences as well. This is for a simple local business here where you have a opt-in, schedule a consultation, and then that should be it there. And then they have emails here. Fantastic. So highly recommend you come into the ClickFunnels marketplace. Check this out, play around with this, but this is where you're going to find top of the line funnels that are already done for you. And that's one of the reasons why I like ClickFunnels, is because at any given time, I can come in here, and if I want to, look for some kind of funnel, I don't really necessarily have to build it myself. I can purchase one of these, and then I can kind of customize it, modify it to fit kind of what I'm looking for, right? To fit my mold. But I know that by purchasing one of these, I can have like a good framework to work off of, right? Here's one for like a life coach. Okay, great. And this one has like a reverse squeeze page, email opt-in, application, thank you page. Okay, fantastic. So this is for like a digital agency here. You have the reverse squeeze page, email opt-in, application. Okay, fantastic. And then some good reviews. So, yep, highly recommend come in here, check this out. You're going to be able to find a ton of funnels that will work for your business. That's it for this video here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.